Okay.
Do the cake.
I'm looking at the cake. Beautiful.
It's a cake. And this is putting on and decorate it. We put some decorations on so it could be beautiful. The valley.
What's that big pot?
Andy's kitchen. I like film the cake.
Yay. Film the cake. I'm filming the cake. It's over there. Those sprinkles are special. Oh, okay. How many sprinkles are you using? No, no duh. How many sprinkles are you using?
Like a few hands.
A few hands? It's a beautiful cake.
Thank you. Keep filming the cake.
I'm filming the cake.
It's going to be beautiful and yummy food. Then we're going to eat it. Yum, yum, Film the cake.
I'm filming the cake.
Don't stop.
I'm not. So what's the name of your cooking show?
Remember it. Like Allie's Kitchen.
Allie's Kitchen.
Hi. Yeah. We'll be right back from these commercials.
Very good.
And then we're doing the rest after these commercials.
After these commercials.
And that's good. Last time the commercials were on, those things are not going to go to. I'm feeling it good because the show's back.
Okay, the show's back on. Okay. So what are we doing now, Chef Allie?
We're back to Allie's Kitchen.
Are you going to show me the sprinkles in your hands?
And these are the sprinkles. That's special. And this jar is very special.
Very special.
There it is. Hey!
One hiding in there?
And there's nothing special in it than a cake.
Really?
What is these?
Uh-huh.
Or these?
Really?
Standing up.
Really?
It's like a birthday.
Oh, yeah.
And then this. Right back from these commercials. Okay, cut.
Cut.
Do you cut it?
No?
Cut!
Okay, cut.